Hi friends, this video shows how to check for firmware update and install it. So first we need to install Tapo app from Google Play Store. I already installed in this mobile. Let me open it. Tap on this Tapo app icon. Then we need to add Tapo camera to this app. I already added this Tapo camera to this Tapo app. You can see the camera icon here. Then here in the bottom right corner you can see me icon. Tap on this me icon. Then tap on firmware update. Tap on this. So now it's showing for this camera model C210 there is an update available. So here I am using camera C210. So this Tapo app says for that camera there is an update. So new firmware is available for the smart camera. So we can tap on this update button or update all button, so that way we can install this firmware update. Okay, so this way we can check for firmware update and install it. So please try this.